On this video today, I'm going to show you one of the easiest way to make money online from home today as a complete beginner without any skills, without any knowledge, and without investing any money. This method is very simple because all the steps are copy and paste. You don't need to do anything on your own. I'm going to show you everything that you need to know about this method. So make sure you keep on watching till the end. And if you are new, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. So now let's get into the details. The first step is that you are going to create an account on ClickBank. Once you create an account and log in, what you have to do is that you have to come right here, click on Marketplace so that you can find products to promote. Once you click on Marketplace, you are going to see a page like this. ClickBank is an affiliate marketplace whereby you can get different products to promote. So as you can see right here, these are categories of products that you can promote to make money from home. As you can see, a whole lot of different categories. So what you have to do is that you have to select any of these categories. So once you select it, you can get a lot of different digital products that you can promote to earn money from home. On this video, what we are going to be doing is that we are going to be using the e-business and e-marketing category. So just click on it. Once you click on it, you can see this is a digital product that you can promote to earn money from home. The commission rate is $28.94. So anytime you get a sale, that is the amount that you are going to be paid. You don't need any skills to do this. As I scroll, you can see this one right here, live chat jobs. If you are able to get a sale, you are going to be earning $62.13. That is the commission rate for this product. As I scroll, there's another product right here, get paid to review apps. This product, if you are able to get a sale, you are going to be earning $50.22 per every sale that you get. As I scroll, you can see this one right here, online writing jobs. If you are able to get a sale, you are going to be earning $106.43. There are a lot of different digital products that you can promote under this category. You can see a whole lot of them. So what you have to do is that you have to select one so that you can promote it to earn money from home. On this video, what we are going to be doing is that we are going to be promoting this product right here, paid online writing jobs. What we have to do is that we have to find a traffic source whereby we can get people to sign up for these jobs so that we can be paid the commission right here. You can see $106.43, and you can see right here they have recurring rebill. The rate here is $34.16. So it means once you get people to buy the product, you still have a chance to earn $34.16 per every customer that you refer, apart from the main commission. So now what you are going to do is that you are going to click on the affiliate support page so that you can find out if there are resources that you can use to promote the product. So just click right here, affiliate page. Once you click on the affiliate page, you are going to see a page like this. As I scroll, you can see these are resources that you can use to promote the product. They have email swipes, they have banners, Facebook ad images, Pinterest pins. They have a lot of different resources that you can use to promote the product. So once you get to know the resources that we can use to promote the product, the next step is that you are going to click right here, promote, so that you can get your affiliate link to promote the product. So just click on it. Once you click on promote, you are going to see a page like this. Just click right here, create hop link, so that you can get your affiliate link. Once you click on create hop link, you can see right here, this is your affiliate link. So anytime you refer people to buy the product through this particular link, we are going to be earning money on ClickBank. So now what we have to do is that we have to find our traffic source so that we can promote this particular link. The next step is that you are going to come on this website, adchiva.com. This website allows you to promote your businesses for free. You can promote your affiliate businesses, you can promote your own businesses on this website for free. You don't need to pay for anything. So what you have to do is that you have to click right here, join, so that you can create your free accounts. Once you click on join, you are going to enter your first name, last name, email address, password, confirm your password, accept the terms and conditions. Once that is done, just click on submit and you are going to get your free accounts. Once you provide your details, you are going to see a page like this. As you can see right here, you have to wait for some seconds so that you can earn mailing credit. As you can see, it left with 2 seconds. You can see right here. So once I'm able to wait for the 30 seconds, you can see I've earned 30 mailing credit. Once you wait for the time to end, you are just going to click right here, continue to members areas. Once you click on continue to members area, you are going to see a page like this. So as you can see right here, ads. So you can run ads on this website for free. You can send email ad to other members on this website for free. You can run banner ads on this website for free. So now what we are going to be doing is that we are going to be running email ads. So just click on send email ad. Once you click on send email ad, you are going to see a page like this. So you are going to enter the subject of your email right here, the body of your email right here, and then here you are going to insert your affiliate link. So what you have to do is that you have to go back on the affiliate support page so that you can copy and paste the emails right here. Once you come back on the affiliate support page, you can see right here email swipe. So just click on it. Once you click on it, you can see they have different emails that you can use to promote the product. These emails has been tested and they are working, so you can just select any of them that you want. So just click on the email that you want. Once you open the email, you can see this is the subject line and you can see the body of the message right here. So what you have to do is that you have to just copy the subject of the email. So just copy it. Once you copy it, you are going to come back to your ad and then paste it right here. Once you paste the subject of the email, the next step is that you are going to paste the body of your email right here. So just highlight and copy the body of the message. Once you copy it, you are going to come back to your ad and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Now what you have to do is that you have to delete any text that is not important. So just delete it because you don't need this kind of text. Just scroll upwards and delete any text that is not relevant. You can see this call to action right here. You have to delete it because we can insert a link in the body of the message. So just delete it. As you can see, that has been done. Once you have your message, the next step is that you are going to insert your affiliate link right here. So just go back, copy and paste your affiliate link right here. So once you come back on ClickBank, just click right here, copy, so that you can copy your affiliate link. Once you copy, you are going to paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. You can see credit to use. So this is the credit that I have. If you want, you can use all your credit. If you want, you can reduce it. So in this case, I'm just going to use 1000 credits. As you can see, that has been done. Once you allocate the credit, the next step is that you are going to click right here, save this email for resending via mailing history. So if you want, you can just select it. If you want, you don't have to select it. Once you enter all the details, the next step is that you are going to click right here, send, so that you can send this email to 1000 people on this website for free. You don't need to pay for anything. So just click on send. You can see it is processing. Once you click on send, you can see your email ad has been successfully sent to the email queue. You can see total recipients is 1000. So 1000 people are going to see your email. You have 23 hours to send another email. So you have to send one email per day. As you can see it right here, you can see 1000 people are going to click on your link. So once 1000 people click on your link, you are going to get some of them who will buy the product for you to earn money on ClickBank. To earn credit on Achiever.com, what you have to do is that you have to just open your email. Once you open your email, they are going to send you emails like this. So what you have to do is that just click on any of them so that you can earn email credit. Once you open the email, you don't need to read it. Just scroll down and then come right here. You can see click to verify you read this message and earn credit. So just click on it. Once you click on the link, you can see you have to wait up to some seconds so that you can earn the mailing credit. As you can see, it is counting. So it has to count up to 0 before you earn mailing credit, so that you can also send emails to other members on this website. As you can see, once it gets to 0, you can see you've won 23 million ad credit. So what you have to do is that you have to open some of these emails so that you can earn ad credit to send emails to other members on this website. This is a very effective way that you can use to get free traffic to your affiliate link. It is working, so make sure you take action today so that you can be making money with your affiliate links for free without investing anything.